Hello everyone, here we are again with the video with regards to the monthly net income of every employee in the Philippines. However, in this video, we are going to focus on the private sector. To begin, we will start with a simple situation right here. So Samantha is working as a private teacher and her pay every month is 13,200 pesos. To be able to calculate the monthly net income of Samantha, we have to answer the following questions. So first, how much will be her SSS deduction? And second, the PhilHealth contribution. Third, Pag-ibig contribution, and so on and so forth. The only difference between the public sector and the private sector is the question number one, because it is asking for SSS deduction instead of GSIS. The reason for that is SSS is the agency that was assigned by the ECC or Employees Compensation Commission to implement the benefits of every worker in the private sector. So basically, again, this is the only difference between the public and the private sector. So to start the monthly net income to calculate, we'll have to answer first the first question. So how much will be her SSS deduction? So we will have to focus, or we will have to determine how much based on the table of contribution from SSS, which is this one right here. So on the first column, we can see here the range of compensation. Since the compensation of Samantha is 13,200, we will have to look for the range that this 13,200 belongs to. So here we can see that 13,200 is in this particular row, 12,750 to 13,249. 0.99, this one. So this is the range that we saw earlier, and this is the monthly salary credit, and this is the employer's contribution, and this one will be the employee's contribution. So in total, the contribution that the employee will receive on SSS will be 1,560 pesos. However, the amount that will be deducted from the employee's income will be 520 pesos only. So that will be the amount that will be deducted from Samantha's monthly income for the SSS deduction or SSS contribution. Next question. How much will be deducted from her salary for her monthly PhilHealth contribution? So again, in this year 2020, PhilHealth premium rate is 3%. Half is paid by the employer and half is paid by the employee. So 13,200 times 0.03 or 3%, that is 396 pesos. And to be able to determine the deduction from Samantha's income, we will have to divide this contribution by 2. So 396 pesos divided by 2 is 198 pesos. So this will be the amount that will be deducted from Samantha's monthly income for her PhilHealth contribution. Third question. How much will be deducted from Sam's income for her monthly Pag-ibig contribution? As mentioned in the previous video, the Pag-ibig contribution is fixed regardless of the amount of the income. So that will be 100 pesos per month. So, on to the fourth question. Will the remaining income taxable after the deductions? Again, let's check. Let us be reminded that to be able for the income to be taxable, the difference between the salary and the monthly deductions has to be greater than 20,833. So, the salary of Sam is 13,200. The total deduction is 818. This is the SSS, the PhilHealth, and the Pag-ibig. So total 818. So we will have to get the difference between the two. So 13,200 minus 818, that is 12,382 pesos. So since this one is less than 20,833, that means this remaining income is not taxable. So if it is not taxable, then there should be no tax be removed from Sam's income. So there will be none. So on to the last question. How much will be erased, Earl? It should be Sam's net monthly income. So Sam's net monthly income should still be 12,382 pesos. And that's pretty much how we can solve the monthly net income of every private employee. So I hope I was able to explain how to solve that. If not, please comment below or message me in Teams. Bye bye.